Yeah. Okay. I'm going to prepare it. Okay. You good on your own?
Yep.
Okay. You ready? I think it's off. It's in the mouth?
I couldn't see it in the mouth.
Yes. Okay, let's try to cut whatever we can from here. And it says. Yeah, this is brilliant. I go to the water to cool down. I'm sorry, it took so long. Gilnet. Sorry, I was using some. Alright, so it was fishing of commercial fishing line. It was a huge piece of gillnet. There's some everywhere. And wow, there's a lot of microplastic as well. You'll have to pick up. But yeah, this strong. This gillnet you can see is brand new. So if someone is fishing with illegal gillnets in the living waters, that's for sure. And this guy, I don't know what it is exactly. Maybe part of a net. Or maybe a bag. Yeah, maybe a veggie bag or something. Whatever. Oh man! We've been very long, she's still there. Because it's just the two of us today. But yeah, job done, at least. She's very strong. While we were busy, some jackals came close to the car and actually saw one of them go into the car. And apparently they grabbed something from us. Don't know what it is. What is it you have? You think the hook would work? What did you get? Yeah. You just pretend nothing happened.
Let go of it, use them up.
No, the hook doesn't work. It's too strong. Is it you? Yeah, no, but I need to open the net more. I know.
No, I mean,
what did you grab?
Oh gosh, there is some much. Yeah.
It is my second pair of shorts. God damn it. Is any bites? I wish nobody came. Perfect. Thank you. Have a good weekend. She's sending me like crazy.
Yeah, it's slipping, yeah?
Is it? Yeah. No, that's what she's busy doing. Okay, wait. I'm going to try. Oh, damn, I cannot cut them. I need both my hands to secure it.
You want to get the strap?
I think we're gonna need tools because my feeling is that it must be around the head as well. So, just gonna cut whatever I can.
Johnny?
Yes.
Take a bit lower, yeah.
Deeper, you mean? Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use the hook. It's incredible. She's not even fully grown. She's an adult, but yeah, I know. I know. Okay, I cut what? Okay, bro, we're going.
And you can't close up now.
No, I'm gonna cut so we can close up. Okay? Can you hold still? It's real crap. Illegal fishing net. Okay. Okay, take a break. Better. Yeah, you can